So now we will see about conjugated dienes, isolated dienes, and cumulative dienes. Okay. So if in an alkene, if there are more than one double bond, you call it as, if there are two double bonds in that structure, in any structure of an alkene, you call it a diene. If there are three double bonds, you call it triene, four means tetraene, like that. In dienes, we have different types. Conjugated means what? If an alkene has more than one double bond, we call it diene. Or more than one means if it has two double bonds, only two, we call it diene. Okay. See, in this diene, for example, let us say there is a heptadiene. Heptadiene means what? 7 carbons. So let me write different structures for this diene. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons. Now let me write one more structure. And one more carbon skeleton. Let me write 4, 7. Okay. Here also 7 carbons, 7, 7. Now let me show, take one by one. Conjugated diene means the double bonds should be alternate with respect delocalized, possibility for delocalization. So the one double bond and the other double bond in alternate position means you will call it conjugated diene. Okay. And when you call it isolated diene, isolated means separated by more number of sigma bonds. It could be either 2 or 3 or 4, anything. You put it in any random position. If this is an example for isolated, there is not a conjugation, or it is not cumulative also. Cumulative means collectively it is next to each other, means it is called cumulative diene. Cumulative diene. Cumulative diene means next it should be. Okay. So this is an example for cumulative diene. Okay, now after filling this, you have to satisfy the values. H2, here H, here another H, here H, here H2, H2, H3. Here H2, H, H2, H, H, H2, H3. Here H2. See, you have to be careful here. 4 bonds already finished, so no hydrogen here. Here 3 bonds H, 2 bonds H2, 2 bonds H2, 2 bonds H2, H3. Are you able to understand? So there is a question here. Pick out the correct statement. I'll do this question. Do you copy down this? Shall I go to next page? They have given different examples. Pick out the correct statement. The following: hexa 1,5 diene. So looking at the formula itself, name itself, you can say whether it is isolated, conjugated, or cumulative. 1 it starts, 1 double bond, 5 another one starts. They are at the extreme ends. So it is, can you tell me what it is? Isolated. It's isolated diene. Okay. Prove 1,2 diene. So at one position, one double bond, two another double bond. So this is cumulative. Next position it starts, no. So it is cumulative diene. And hexa 1,3 diene. So first one starts in one position, second one starts in the third position. They are alternate. Alternate means what will you call? It is conjugated diene. Then buta 1,3 diene. What about this 1 and 3? So it is again conjugated. Right? Then prop 1,2 diene. Prop 1,2 diene. This is the cumulative diene. Okay. So from the names, are you able to understand? Any doubt on this? Copy down. Write down the structure and check whether the options I have given are. You can cross check it after writing down the structure.